Are you facing Windows 11 system errors, missing files, or broken features? Before you think about the formatting your PC or losing all the apps, watch this video today and I'm going to show you how you can repair your Windows 11 or in place of upgrade method. This is the Ultimate Guide 2026 fix that repairs your entire Windows system while keeping your every single file, photo and install program exactly where they are. So let's get started. To do this correctly, first of all, we need to download the ISO file and you need to make sure that you have logged in as administrator on your Windows. And also make sure you are using your Windows 11 latest. When you press Windows and R and type where WinWare 25S2 is the latest as of now, and make sure you are using the latest one as well. Just go to any browser whichever you used, type there download Windows 11 ISO and go to this official link and simply download this multi-edition language, confirm, and here you need to choose the carefully here. This is very important. Just open the CMD or PowerShell. I will show you in a two-way terminal. Now once you open your command prompt, you need to type here two commands here. This one is in a PowerShell. We have already opened the PowerShell as admin. Paste it and display language is United States. And now let's confirm it into the CMD as well to reassure that this is the CMD. And we can see here install language United States US. Now we are confirmed now. If other language is showing up here, you have to download another ISO file accordingly. In my case, I'm using Windows United States. Just confirm it and simply download it. Once you download this, the ISO file will be downloaded and it will take some time. Since I have already downloaded this 25S2 version on my computer, I'm closing this and opening that. Select your ISO file, make a right click on it and simply click on mount. Then you need to run this setup.exe. Double click on this setup.exe. Just if it is sick, untick this option, then click on next. It is checking for updated drivers and the correct driver according to your Windows. Just you have to wait here. It's always recommended to back up your all the data before proceeding with any steps on Windows. Even though this step will not delete anything from your computer, but still that is recommended. Accept it. Now what to keep, this is very important step in this video. If you have chosen the correct ISO file on your Windows, you will get this getting Windows update and all the keep apps and the setting options will be highlighted. If you see the keep nothing or reset PC, then that means that you have chosen the wrong ISO. So make sure you chosen the ISO according to the language installed on your system, current language. So after waiting for some time, you can see the Install Windows 11 Pro, keep personal files and app. This option needs to be highlighted to proceed further. If you are only seeing this option keep files or nothing, that means that you have chosen the wrong ISO. This should be tick on your system, and if it is taking more time as it took on my system, what you need to do is you need to untick the options which says the internet one. Let me show you which option you need to exactly choose in order to get it quicker. This option I was talking about, not right now. Select that option and also untick this and then next, and it will not take more time after that if it is stuck only. Otherwise you can proceed with the step number 1. So that's all for this video guys, and everything will be done on your system. New window will be installed and windows.old folder will be created, the old one, and new one will be here. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.